Girl, your girl got hacked. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I know it's been a while. That's why I'm doing this video for you guys. I'm doing a life update. Basically telling you guys what I'm up to, what actually happened to me, and new business adventures, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. But before you watch this video, I want you guys to go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel, and also like this video, share it, and comment. Okay guys, so two major things. There's nothing too crazy going on in my life, but it's just two things that happening in my life. Well, one already happened, and then the second one is actually happening. So the first thing that happened in my life is, girl, your girl got hacked. Why my Instagram got hacked, guys? So a little brief story time. Let's get into it. I was at work and all I saw was in my email that my Instagram password changed. So I was like, password changed. So I went in my email and I saw that it says like it was changed by this name, this phone number, and where the person is from and everything. Yeah, so I was like, wait, what? What the hell is going on? So I went back over to my Instagram. I was like, okay, my Instagram is good. Then it like clicked to me like, holy, my email is about to get hacked because it was sent to my email. So I'm like, how the hell they got my email information and all that stuff? So I'm like, my email is more important to me than the Instagram page. Yeah, I got like over 2,000 followers, but still, like, that's my email. I have my bank statement, everything that comes to that email. So what I did was I went over to my email and I was quickly like changing the password at work. And I'm like, okay, I changed my password. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to go back over to my Instagram and change my Instagram password. So when I went over to my Instagram, girl, I was locked out of my Instagram. So I was like, what the hell? So I was like, okay, forget password. So when I clicked on the forget password and it says like they're going to send me a code to the phone number, I saw the phone number. I was like, wait, that's not my phone number. Went back into my email, went to the email that was sent to me. It was the same phone number. So I was like, holy shit. These people put their phone number in. So I was like, okay, second option, email. It says there's no email linked to this page. So first thing is they remove my email. Then they change the phone number to their phone number. So basically I have no way to get in my account. I hit up Instagram. They were saying like send stuff in and all those extra stuff. I was doing it, but I was like, yeah, it's not working. I don't know what's going on. Next thing I know, someone hit me up like, wait, because they call me Mo at work. So they were like, wait, Mo, you send me this? I said, no, I didn't send you anything. I can't even go on my Instagram. So they're sending out like posts and DMs to people I know, basically saying like, oh, send me your Cash App, send me your information. I'm going to send you money. I was like, are you kidding me? Then they posted on my story like, hey, send your DM, your Cash App over. I'm gonna send money to you guys, blah blah blah. So I hit up my husband and I was like, yo, oh my god, this is what's going on. He was like, okay, I'm gonna call your Instagram, like, I'm gonna FaceTime your Instagram. So I was like, all right. So he FaceTime it and they answered. So it was an African guy in Africa that basically hacked my Instagram. And my husband was like, yo, you blah blah blah, cursing him out. He was like cursing him out, and they were back and forth. I was like, are you kidding me? Like, give me back my Instagram. He's like, oh, if you want your Instagram back, you have to do this, you have to do that. I was like, I ain't doing all of that. So I was just basically telling everyone to basically report the page. I created a new page. So now my name is Tosh Biggs on Instagram. So it's TASHBIGGS on Instagram. So that's my new, page. So that happened to me. So while that was happening, guys, I was in the midst of launching like my new business adventure. So I was like, oh my God, these are all like my viewers, my followers that I wanted to like post my like business, and a lot of people's gonna support me. Now I'm starting from scratch with barely any followers, and now I'm gonna have to work extremely hard to get my business launched more than ever before, because my page is a brand new page. Like, so I'm like, oh my God. So that kind of put like a damper in my spirit for a while. But then I look at it this way, like, everything happens for a reason. This is my mindset in life. Like, the creator, everything happens for a reason. So I'm not gonna look back. I'm just gonna move forward and start from scratch, start from fresh. So now my second life update, which I was saying, is my business. So my business will be launching today, which you guys will see it today, because I'm posting this video tomorrow. So when y'all watch this video, the business will already be activated. The Instagram page will already be activated. Everything will be up for you guys to purchase the item. So my new business adventure is I am doing vase decor. I make vase from scratch, different size, different shapes, basically different styles, DIY. Y'all want to know how that started? I could go in a little bit of a story time with that. The story time with that is that I was looking for a vase before I actually show you guys a few of my pieces. I was and tell you guys the name of the business. Basically I was looking for a vase for my bedroom, and I was searching for a different style, and I was not finding it anywhere. It was so hard for me to find the specific vase I liked. And then I went on, I don't remember where I saw someone make DIYing a vase, and I was like, oh, okay, I'll make my own then. So I basically went and I purchased the vase, the glass, the type I wanted. I purchased the paints. I purchased everything that I needed for the vase. And I was like, oh, and I created the vase. I actually loved it at that instant. Like, instantly I loved it. I love creating it. I love the vibe it gave. Like, it was so like meaningful to me. Like, I felt like I was in my zone. It was just like everything. So I fell in love. Then I started just getting obsessed with just seeing vase everywhere I go, and then buying it, purchasing any vase to create it into my own. It can have any different color, any different shape, and whatever texture it has before, then I create it into something different. So that's the journey I'm on right now. And the name of this business is 3C Decor. So my website is 3cdecor.com, which is THREEC decor, DECOR.com. You guys go online and shop and support your girl, please. I am asking you, these pieces are beautiful, and I think they will be really nice for each and every one of you guys. It's also nice for a gift. Christmas is coming up. It's a nice gift for each and every one. That can, like, it will warm your heart, fill your space up. It could be in the dining room, living room, bathroom, anywhere in your home. It's a beautiful vase, each and every one of them. So the vase are basically back here. let me grab a few, show you guys. So this is the first one that I created. It's really pretty. I love the shape of it. This is gold and black. It's really nice. It's a nice like coloring. If you guys have like gold and black throughout your home, this is so cute for your center table, for your island. It could be for like a dining table, anything. It's really beautiful, and it's a nice statement piece for your home. It's also on the website. I also have this one. This is so pretty. This is such a nice like light grayish eggshell color, and I did like the wrapping of the rope around the rim. It's so pretty. The it's just so pretty. And this one was very dear to me, like when I was making it. I think this is also a nice statement piece for your home. Definitely, guys, like grab each and every one of these, because I'm most likely not gonna make the same pieces. I am gonna do like different one as I sell out of these pieces. So definitely, I also have this big boy. This is so pretty. This is gold and white. This is so pretty. I think this is a definitely must have. It's really pretty. You guys could put like nice roses in this, white, any different color. This is so cute. This is something that you could put anywhere in your home. So yeah, guys, definitely support your girl. Please support your girl. When you guys see this video, like I said, the store will be up. So it is 3cdecor.com. And yeah, so that's my life update. That's what I'm up to. Hopefully I will give you guys at least 2 videos a month. That's my ideal, and then I will grow from there. It is the season where I'm gonna be going out more. I love the cold weather, so I'm always like out and about with the family. So I will definitely be videoing maybe more day in my life. Yeah, so I will definitely be doing more day in my life or different videos, more hauls, stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please guys, support me in every way. Make sure you subscribe to this video, make sure you like it, make sure you share, and make sure you hit the bell so you guys can get all the videos as I post. And make sure you go ahead and make sure you go ahead and follow my business page on Instagram. It will be 3C Decor. Follow me, share, support you. Thanks for watching me, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.